Watch. Well, it's not a plan. You just watch what go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. Choosing one. The 10-star general. You don't know what going on when I come for represent. Full effective man. You don't know what go when I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me man. Are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo. A Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying one for YouTube entertainment business. Watch. Yeah, man, our nation people. It can't get no better than that. First and foremost, I want to run go over the ice tunes. And make certain I cut the vybz Kartel EP, pre-order, party with me. The thing shell hotter than we hell. Yeah, nation people, make certain I get in. This is what I say, because the world boss soon out, you know. No gimmicks thing not about it, no lollipop thing not about it. But hear me now. The video of the boy with me Sissy Query, aka Sissy Curly, aka Sissy Q, aka Sir Q, aka Sir Bitch. You me I say no nation people. What do you wonder boy there, you know, and tell him, you know. So when you come out and talk to the people, you know, or when you come out a morning time for open your shop, you know, hey boy, take a shower first, you know, before you start no internet live, because I tell you, you dig up yourself and not scratch up your skin. And I tell you, say it's not a good look. You see what I say? You look nasty, my brother. You see what I say? Me tell you to stop it. And you stop for 1 day or 2 and gone back to your old nasty business. You see me take a shower first, my brother, before you run out on the life. It no look decent. Hear me now. I want to know when vybz Kartel free up nation people. You tell me where this little fish I go do. Because him don't have no finesse. Him not have no intensity. Him can't build up nothing off him own. That means you know him not no character. Everything where you hear him chat about or where somebody send him or where somebody tell him. Nation people. When the world boss free, I want to know what that boy you go do. Because I'm have to run left the internet, you know. No gimmick signal that about it, you know. Because it's going to go prove, you know. Say this Duma Chesky, you know, don't have nothing good for talk about, you know. Nah, nothing for talk about nobody, you know. As soon as him switch off of the world boss, you know, and him see some views dry up, you know, the next video straight back the same gone in the nation people. Yeah, when the world boss free, you know, this hits and tweets, you know, can't stay up on the internet, you know. No gimmicks thing that about it, you know. Because him don't know, you know. I'm 5 minutes of fame him get, you know. Because I knew, you know. This is what I say. And I saw the internet take on to people, you know. But when time him get stale out because the people them tired of him already, you know. And they see him every day news, you know. Hey boy, I don't think me I have the same thing, you know. I think me I do this run down the views, you know. Me I hunger make Gaza Nation aware of you. And from me do that, my job complete. No gimmicks thing that in it, no lollipop thing that in it. Every day you get up on the man name and act like you as a lover of man. You love man, boy. Eh? You love man. You never hear the Gaza commandment. Eh? You must never hear the Gaza commandment. You hear everything but you don't hear that. Eh? You don't hear no body can fuck on the Gaza, boy. And no pussy can suck on the Gaza. And you suck pussy from your juvenile until now. You see what I say? Boy, I tell you something, you know. All the run you run and hide, you know, you look up matches back shot on camera and claim you do live, you know. I tell you already, you probably not believe me. I remind you again. You are going to know where you really go in a prison for. You hear that? And when that day they come, oh shit, man. Oh chop, oh fuck, man. We shall have a grand finale with your blood clot name of your business. You hear that? Mike Query. You hear that? Sissy Curly. You hear me? Every day you run up and down and I run out on the man's name. And I run out like you know nothing about vybz kartel. You know nothing about vybz kartel? At this year you ready for come out, come chat about vybz kartel, brother? Eh? You know say you're late to the game. Eh? And about you run a itch on yourself and surfy. You ain't nothing but a little jackstrap sniffer. You don't have nothing for yourself, boy. Not even your own name you couldn't create. You have to follow for our next man name. You see what I mean? Everything you do I follow. You know what I mean? You're not original. You're not on a style. You see me? I go like you're intelligent because you can speak a few local Yankee words. You think the man responds to that, boy? I tell you already, you know, you can't go in the street of Jamaica, you know? You can't go nowhere in Kingston, you know. Why you think me run out from you and I trample you every day like that? Eh, boy? You can't go nowhere in Kingston and I ask me, I ask you. I dare you to do that. You hear that? Mike Query, eh? Mike Curly, Sissy Curly, Sissy Query. You hear me? You hear me, boy? Eh? I dare you. Walk down the street in Kingston. You see me? I go up on the street, go do no video. Make nobody see you. Eh? Nobody know you. You have no reputation. A whole fucking criminal like you. Eh? You can't talk about nobody. Eh? What good you ever do for yourself? Much as people. Eh? You come on the internet and run your fucking mouth. Like you think so nobody will listen to what you say. You have a few local vendetta fans over there cheer you on. You see me? I don't know what I use the people that I use you. Eh? Wait. Just wait. You're going to soon know what go on. Because you must feel like say a games thing or a gimmicks thing, you know. You think of 1 or 2 or 3 or uno try to bring down vybz kartel and Gaza Nation. Eh? And for back up, you know, at the end of the day. Eh? Tell you something, man. You ain't nothing good enough, boy. You know, you did want to be good enough in our people eyesight, you know. You'd have take on all type of news and all that you think injustice and all that you have the proof for, you know what I mean, and the privilege for to see where injustice and where wrong from where right. No. And that you do. You come out and just one man name you want each and part like you was a lover of man. We're going to show you, yeah, my boy? You're going to learn the hard way. Yeah? No gimmicks thing there in my game and a lollipop thing there. You're going to learn the hard way. So you, big head queer, can't bring down Gaza Nation or vybz kartel. And you go like where you talk or the gospel or where you speak have nothing to do with no lawyer, nor judge, nor prosecutor within vybz kartel case. Eh? Where you think? If somebody a look validation, them a go look validation from you, a whole prisoner like you, boy. Eh? From juvenile facility to big man prison, America, Jamaica, the same thing, cell block. Eh? Them boy. And then they come and talk about man sell weed, a man sell liquor, a man sell cigarette in a cell block. After you come and inform on the youth them thing, my brother, you're not about a lot. Look at dry snitcher, you know, I tell you, you're a snitch, you know. You're informer, you know, boy. But you're informer where I get up on the internet with, you know. And me I tell you, your day of reckoning come fast, quick and fast and quick. Let me tell you something. Time that day they come, you will see your boy queer. You're hiding at the country and hiding at some bush, in some blood clot shop behind the camera and go like you're tough. Eh? The only tough you're tough, you know, is not being in an evening time, you know. So you go for your life, you know. All you can do, you know, is like big up your kin, you know. My brother, but take a nice shower, my brother, and try lotion your blood clot skin properly because you have an itching problem. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing that about it. And sometimes I see her get hot. Like fire, put a fan in the shop, no boy. Eh? I never tell you about AC, put a fan in the shop. Because to the way I see her sweat and I go on. You come like woman when they must see menopause. And they're hot and eat you. So you go like a menopause, you see. You boy queer, watch where you hear that. And the general, you know, the 10-star wanna represent nation people. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Big up the whole of FME, Federal Music Entertainment. You hear that? Big up the whole of Trenchtown, the whole of Rima, the whole of Rosetown, the whole of Federal, the whole of Jonestown, the whole of Hanek Garden, the whole of Jungle, Waterford. You don't know the badness, but I touch the road with the clip them load. The dancehall king soon come home. You hear me like Jerome. No gimmicks thing in our head. And the general, the 10-star wanna represent. Oh.